Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Moadel. Here's a tip, an important tip for options traders. Please don't get greedy. Greed is such a destructive force for traders. I always say that in options trading, greed and fear are the two things that can bring a good trader down and could cause you to blow up your account. And I'm going to give you an example from today. Today is the 9th of December 2016, and we're going to look at Google call options. And today is a Friday, and so these are the weekly options which expired today. All right. So if you had purchased a Google call option, the weekly call option, expiring today at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, if you had bought the 810 call, 810 strike price call yesterday, Thursday, you would have, and you had held on to it overnight. Today at 11:42 p.m. Eastern Time, you would have more than doubled your money. You would have profited 130.77%. That's more than doubling your money. Your call options would have gone up from 13 cents a share to 30 cents a share. And personally, I don't know about you, but I recommend if you double your money in any investment, any short-term investment, especially if it's going to expire in a few hours, take profits. I recommend taking profits. If you double your money, just be happy with that. Doubling your money is fantastic. It really is. Okay, so here at 11:42 p.m., Google had gone up, it had gone up more than 1%. Google stock, and so it was up to $804.10, still out of the money at this point. It hadn't reached 810, but because it had gone up so much, options traders decided that there was still a lot of hope that it would reach and exceed 810 by the end of the trading day today, and that's why the call options were worth so much more. And if you hadn't sold, sold off your call options and taken profits, and if you had waited until 3:45 or 3:46 p.m. Eastern Time, with only 14 minutes left in the trading day, your call option would have gone from 130% gain to a 30% loss. Would have gone from 30 cents a share to 9 cents a share. Why is that? And the price of Google had gone up even more. It went from 804.10 in the middle of the day to 808.73, almost 810 by 3:46 p.m. But there were only 14 minutes left in the trading day, and so there wasn't a whole lot of hope left that Google would exceed 810, would meet or exceed 810 by the end of the trading day in 14 minutes. And then by 3:59 p.m., with only a minute left in the trading day, even though Google had gone up a little more, it went up to 808.85 cents, almost 810, but that's not good enough. With only 1 minute left, it was pretty hopeless. Hoping that Google would meet or exceed 810. Which was the strike price. So the call options had gone down to 5 cents a share for a 61.5% loss, from more than doubling your money to losing most of your money and possibly all of it if you held on to it even longer. So don't get greedy, please. This could happen. Okay. Now, don't get me wrong. If you double your money, let's say you had doubled your money here and then took profits, and then Google went up to 815, 820, whatever, 825, then you would have maybe tripled or quadrupled your money. And so there are going to be times that you're going to double your money and then take profits and then maybe regret it later because you could have made even more money. But you can't think like that because you'll drive yourself crazy. That's why it might be a good idea to just call it a day. Just, as soon as you double your money and take profits, just you can walk away from the computer. It's okay to do that, and not even look for the rest of the day. I mean, unless you have other investments that you have to look at. But I'm just saying you might want to walk away from that and not look, so you don't feel the regret. Because again, doubling your money is fantastic, and so that's a guideline there. All right. So I hope that tip is helpful to you. And if you have questions about stocks or options or just finance in general, please send me an email. My email address is davidmoadel@gmail.com. Or if you just need help putting together a trading or investing plan, I can certainly help you with that. So send me an email anytime. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and leave comments. I like your comments a lot. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational content. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I'll talk to you soon.